Ipeima, 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 Ipeima.
Ndewo ndị be anyị, tata ihe anyị ga-amụ bụ ihe dị n'ụlọ anyị, things in our house, ihe dị n'ụlọ anyị. Onye unu nọ ya nọ tata bụ Chinenye Chukaipere. My name is Chinenye Chukaipere, and I ask you to like, share, subscribe, comment on this video. I'll really appreciate that effort. Ngwa ka anyị bido. Door. Ụzọ. Ụzọ. High low. Door. Ụzọ. Wall. Aja. High mid. Aja. Clock. Elekere. Elekere. High. Mirror. Enyo. Low. Enyo. Remember, this letter, nye, reminds me of the nye in piñata. So, enyo. Then, this one is oche, chair. Oche, high. Let's take it again. Door. Ụzọ. High low. Wall. High mid. Aja. Clock. Elekere. Clock. Elekere. Mirror. Enyo. Chair. Oche. Also, every form or every type of chair, table can be called oche. Some people also say table, but that's a word coined from the English language. So let's go with oche for now, okay? Remember, like I keep saying, Igbo is a language that you can mix it up with English sometimes, especially for things that don't have Igbo words. All right? Then we have pot. Ite. Lo. Again, ite. Pot. Then plate or plates. Efere. High. Efere plate. Knife. Knife. High low. In this situation, this M It's a verb look-alike. It has a sound. So it's called Nyerudume, a verb look-alike. So it's acting as a verb here. That's why it has a sound and it has a mark. High, low. Spoon. Gaji. Again, gaji. Has a sound, and that will be low, low, low. Gaji. Okay? One more. Bottle. A bottle or bottle is kalama. 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 Hi, hi, hi. Kalama. There are other names for bottle. Some dialects call it mpi. Mpi. Mpi is another name for horn, but a bottle can also be mpi. Okay? But let's go with kalama. Mpi. I'll tone it as low, low. Mpi. This M has a sound here. P. This I has a low sound. Low, low. P. The final set of fives will be soap. What do you call soap in your language? Let me know in the comments below. Soap. We call soap cha. Cha. N has a sound here. So it is high, low. Soap. Cha. Then sponge. Sponge. Sponge will be obo. Obo. Low, high. Soap is cha. High, low. Sponge is obo. Low, high. Then after that we have broom. Broom is aziza. Aziza. We've done this before, if you remember, when we were learning how to tone mark. High, high, low. Aziza. Broom. Then what do you do with the broom? You sweep the floor. There's a reason why we're learning all these words, because we're going to start to learn how to make sentences with them. These are things we see every day in the house. Again, there are other things we see in the house that don't have Igbo names because they are not Igbo products. Like our language, those are like new inventions, right? Things like the fridge. We may use a sentence to explain what the functionality of a fridge is. We can use a sentence to explain what a fridge does for us, but it doesn't have an Igbo name. And you know that Igbo as a language, we like to mix it up with English. So sometimes it's still okay to call a fridge when making an Igbo sentence. Are you getting me? So floor is ala. Low, low. we've come across this word before. So every time we come across a new word or something we've said before, I'd like you to pay attention, because when we start to make conversations, we're going to use some of these words and words from our past Igbo videos, okay? Then the final one is TV, your TV. We don't have an Igbo name for TV because it's a technology, but we know it as onyonyo. Onyonyo. Why? We look at it, okay? Onyonyo. Onyonyo. Lo. Sorry, I want a tone mark onyonyo, okay? Onyonyo. Lo. Oh, it's not funny. Let's do this again. O, lo, nyo, lo, nyo. There should be 2 O's here, okay? 2 O's, but when we write, we don't put the second O. But I'm going to put the second O just so it helps us with, remembering how it is said. Lo, nyo, hilo, onyonyo, lo, hilo, onyonyo. Okay, so that's how you tone mark TV. I'm sorry it took me a while. It's not a word that we use often. However, Igbo, the Igbo we talk about, when you mix English with Igbo, you can still say the word TV. So, the final part of this video today is the challenge. I wanted you to be part of our Independence Day celebration. Did you know that Nigeria celebrates Independence Day on October 1? The first day of October is Nigeria's Independence Day, okay? So what I want you to do for me now is tell me what you call the following on the board in your language. How do you greet? When you meet a stranger, how do you greet a stranger or a friend or a family member? How do you say, how are you? How do you say, thank you? Now, how do you say rice in your language? How do you say comb, peanut, plantain? And the final word will be, how do you say goodbye? And with that, we come to the end of the program. So I'd like you to contact me either with an audio, video, if you want your face to show in my October 1 lesson, or you can just give me an audio of how it is said. And then if you don't want to show your face at all, just tell me the language and tone mark it, okay? I don't know most foreign languages, so if I don't hear the sound, I may not be able to pronounce it right. So in order for me to hear the sound, I'm asking that you use a video. I'll really appreciate it, okay? That way we are interacting. Thank you again, and thank you so much for being part of my videos. Please share, like, subscribe. I'm sure you're enjoying what we're doing so far. I am also having a lot of fun teaching you what I know. Okay? Bye. See you next time. Come, Messia.